Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an outline on an image in Figma. This is a fantastic technique for making your images stand out, creating stylized effects, or simply adding that extra visual polish to your design projects. Let's jump right in and get this done. First things first, open your Figma application and navigate to the file or project where you want to add the outline to your image. Make sure you've already placed the image you want to work with in your canvas. Having everything ready before we start will make the process much smoother and faster. Once you're in your project, look down to the bottom of your Figma interface. Here you'll see the Action button. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This section is where Figma's powerful plugin ecosystem comes into play, giving you access to tools that extend the platform's core functionality. It's incredibly useful for tasks like the one we're tackling today. In the Plugins and Widgets menu, you'll see a search bar. Type in Image Tracker and hit Enter. This plugin is specifically designed to help you trace and outline images, which is exactly what we need. Once the plugin appears in the search results, click on it, then click Run to launch it. The plugin interface will now open, ready for you to start working. Now within the Image Tracker plugin interface, look for the option that says Placed Traced Vector and click on it. This action initiates the tracing process, converting your image into a vector format that Figma can manipulate with outlines and strokes. It might take a moment to process depending on the complexity and size of your image, so just give it a second to work its magic. Once the tracing is complete, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Traced. Click on this to select the newly created traced vector layer. This is the element we'll be adding the outline to, so make sure it's properly selected before moving forward. With the traced layer selected, shift your attention to the right side of your screen where Figma's Properties panel is located. Here you'll see various styling options. Look for the section labeled Stroke and click the plus icon right beside it. This action adds a stroke layer to your traced image, which is essentially the outline we're aiming to create. Now comes the customization part. You'll notice options to change the stroke color and adjust its weight. Click on the color picker to choose whatever outline color suits your design, whether that's black, white, or something more creative. Then adjust the stroke weight. For this tutorial, set it to around 5. This gives you a nice visible outline without being too overpowering. Feel free to experiment with different weights to see what works best for your specific project. Finally, to keep everything organized, select both the traced layer and the original image. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking on each layer, or by clicking and dragging to select both. Once they're both selected, press Ctrl-G on your keyboard. This groups the two layers together, making them easier to manage and move around as a single unit in your design. And that's it. You've successfully added an outline to your image in Figma using the Image Tracker plugin. This technique opens up all sorts of creative possibilities for your designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.